Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ignore folders or files on GitHub. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you are using. After that, you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you will need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, you click on continue and then you will add a username, for example whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle and identical objects, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that, it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, we will need to create a new repository. And here, make sure that you have a gitignore template and then just add any gitignore file. So basically, the gitignore files are the files where you add the files to not to be tracked on a list on your repository. So basically, after that, you need to click repository, create repository, give it a name, something like that, and then we'll create repository. And basically after you go here and have your new file, then you will need to edit your gitignore file and add all the file on the folder that you want to ignore and add the name of the files on the gitignore file that we have created, and then you will be able to ignore all the files of the folder, and by that you will have successfully ignore the folder. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.